Moving on to other news, President Prabowo, together with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, visited the Prambanan temple in Yogyakarta on Wednesday. In a bilateral meeting held a day earlier in Jakarta, both leaders agreed on various areas of cooperation, including the conservation and restoration of the Prambanan temple complex.
President Prabowo welcomed the agreement on the conservation and restoration of the Prambanan temple complex between the government of Indonesia and the government of India. According to Prabowo, the Prambanan temple is not merely a historical structure but also a symbol of Nusantara's great civilization that reflects noble values. The president also said that the Prambanan temple has a special meaning for Indonesia and India. The Ramayana reliefs carved on the walls of the temple serve as evidence of the close civilizational ties between the two nations since ancient times. Prabowo hoped that the visit of Prime Minister Modi to Indonesia would foster friendship as well as strengthen various areas of cooperation that are mutually beneficial for both countries.